Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Pontiac Lemans, two-door hardtop in this nice lime green color. I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and it definitely caught your eye in a nice bright green color. And the thing I also noticed was that this one had the 455 cubic inch engine in it, the 7.5 liter, which was first available in 1971 on the Le Mans. Was the first year you can get the 455. Before that, you could only get up to the 400 cubic inch engine. So that opened things up a little bit. And the other thing was that this is just a base model Le Mans two-door hardtop, and it had the optional 455 engine, which was definitely different. So somebody probably ordered this car and probably to go drag racing, I would guess, with the bench seat and column shift with the automatic transmission. But anyway, in 1971, Pontiac production numbers were their total sales were 586,856 models produced, and for Le Mans production in 1971, it was 155,466 were built. And of this one, the two-door hardtop, they made 40,966. So it's not a rare one, that's for sure. The T37 model, they made 29,466. And the Le Mans Sport hardtop two-door, they made 34,625. So they made quite a few of these in 71, and you still see them around here and there. This is the first one I've seen with the 455 in it, though, recently. So it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. And if I remember correctly, I think this is a one-owner car, and those are the original blue plates, the blue California license plates that came on the car when it was brand new in 1971. Oh, I forgot to mention, Pontiac had two different versions of the 455 engine that year. The base one was 325 horsepower, and the high output version was 335 horsepower. Not exactly sure which one this one was, but because it wasn't marked on the car, usually they have the high output ones say HO. This one did not, so I'm going to guess it was probably just the base engine, but it's only 10 horsepower less. So either way, it still had plenty of torque and plenty of power to get you going. But anyway, that's today's car of the day, featured car of the day, a 1971 Pontiac Le Mans two-door hardtop. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.